Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I educate you more about food science. Prepare the plate counter agar with me today, as well as the Ekoprim and the ringer solution. Stay tuned. First of all, we're going to dissolve 23 grams of this plate count agar powder into this 1 liter of distilled water. Okay. Okay, so the initial value here is 3 grams. Okay. Now we are all done measuring the 23 grams of the plate count agar powder. Now let's mix this powder with this 1 liter of distilled water. Give it a good stir, like so. Just a good stir. Okay, once it's done, we have to boil it until it's completely dissolved on this Bunsen burner, like so. Let's move on to the Ekoprim preparation. We're going to be using this Ekoprim powder so we're going to be measuring 17 grams. Okay. Okay. Now we have to dissolve these Ekoprim powder using 200 ml of distilled water. Okay, pour it in here, and this is the 200 ml of distilled water, like so. And that's it. So we leave it to dissolve. We just cover it so that it doesn't get contaminated, and that's so. While the PCA agar is boiling, you have to stir it so that it doesn't burn. Okay, like so.
Moments later.
So far, this is how the Ekoprim is looking like. It's not completely dissolved, as you can see. Now it's officially done. It has completely dissolved. And the easiest way I can tell is because of this circle that forms at the center. Can you see? That's one way you can see that it has completely dissolved. I'm going to be pouring the agar into these 2 containers, this one and this one. This is the leftover agar, but it's too little for the milk samples that are arriving today, so I just had to make some more PCA agar. This is done.
Moments later.
Our Ekoprim still hasn't fully dissolved. Can you see? So now I have to clean this container so that I'm able to make the ringer solution. So clean this container with me right over there. Okay. Can you see? Can you see? So it was already burning. Can you see the stain? Yes. Now let's move on to the preparation of Ringer's solution using this Ringer's tablets. Can you see? Yeah, this Ringer's tablets. So one tablet must be dissolved with 500 milliliters of distilled water, but I want to dissolve 2 tablets. So that means I'm going to be dissolving these tablets with 1 liter of distilled water, like so. Yeah, so only thing you have to do is to wait for them to dissolve on their own, like so.
Few moments later.
Now the Ringer solution has fully dissolved. Let me just give it a good stir. Can you see? And the Ekoprim still hasn't fully dissolved, guys. Like, can you see? Can you see? Okay, so now since my Ringer solution has fully dissolved, I'm going to be measuring 9 milliliters of the Ringer solution and placing it into these small vials you see over here. I'm sure you've seen me doing this before. But anyways, let's move together. This is the mark for 9 milliliters, by the way. Currently done filling the vials. Now we have to sterilize the plate counter agar and the Ringer solution into the autoclave. Do it with me. Okay, so now I'm filling the autoclave with some water. That's all for now. I'm currently waiting on the milk samples to arrive so that I can perform the TBC and SCC. Guys, I'm already exhausted. I had actually forgotten about the Ekoprim situation. So our Ekoprim has fully dissolved. Okay, now let's pour it into this Ekoprim jar. Okay. There is no need to sterilize the Ekoprim. So it's done.
3 hours later.
So the milk samples just arrived. Now we have to perform the TBC and the SCC test. By now I'm very much sure you know all those things. Ekoprim that we prepared earlier. So 450 is the somatic cell count for this milk sample. So now the agar has finally set, so I'm now putting these petri dishes into the incubator. Oh god, I'm so tired. So that was all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.